let us take an example of uh, McDonald's, for example, and let us take an example at the side of Pizza Hut. You will agree that McDonald's can very easily make a pizza, and Pizza Hut can also do a good burger. From infrastructure side, from the standpoint of cooking, knowledge, ingredients, and the target segment are kind of similar, but still they focus on their core areas. This is one principle which we have to keep in mind for the time being when I talk more further. There are another examples like Microsoft, who make many products, ERPs, email, softwares, hardwares. There are many aspects, these kind of companies which are existing there, whether it is a Microsoft, whether it is Google, which is Gmail, Google search engine, Google Meet, Google Apps. There are many and targeted to different people. There's a third category of people who are purely into services. So there are the product companies, there are product and services companies, and there are services companies. So I think the very important aspect is to understand which category you fit in, where do you fit yourself in. The moment you know which category you are fitting in, you will try to go with that category of customers. So let's take another example. When Microsoft designs a product out of their R&D, obviously on that day when the research and development is happening, the target of customers is not aware. Nobody is aware about which customer we are going to target. When it gets out as a product, as solving a problem or something which is needed by a customer, then you try segmentizing your target segment. If you are in a food, then you look for a taste. If you are looking at technology, then you look for people who are interested in and which is going to make the life easier. If you're into services, you know where the life is going to be better. It's a very simple concept if you understand it that way. But once we identify the people which we are going to address because of the service, product, or the mix of both, the identification of a customer becomes much more easier. Another thing is the focus. How do we focus on the customer from that perspective? So once we know that this is the service which I am trying to address, the moment you have that service in your hand, you know for which customer the pain point is being solved.